I already sliced onion and garlic for spaghetti, and also grounded pork for spaghetti. Did you turn off the TV? Did you turn off the TV? Don't want to watch? You don't want to watch? Are you still watching or not?
Watch.
Okay. Play ka muna outside. Play ka muna outside.
Dito.
Outside. Yeah.
Yung sa bahay dito.
Hmm?
Yung sa bahay.
Outside.
Outside. Yan. Ay, yung coffee ko.
Coffee mo?
Opo,
It's
yung
not
ano
coffee.
ko.
It's Milo.
Milo. Kain ko. Yung Milo. Diba, Mama?
Yeah. Okay. I'm done with the hot dog. Should I put it there? No. Later. This one is ground pork. For spaghetti. Ready. The tray is ready, so I have to spaghetti. This one.
Mama, ano yan? Pang birthday ni Papa?
Oh,
Birthday ni Papa?
no.
Ano yan?
It's
Nagawa ng spaghetti? Birthday kasi? Birthday kasi? Ikaw birthday.